That's number 1. Straight lang, anak. Straight. Isa pa, anak. Ay, wala na. Erase. Kuya, erase. Good job, Kuya Zed. Good job. Good job. Erase. Oh, erase pa, anak. Oh, sige na, anak. Sa kabila na, anak. Kabila na. Okay na yan. Kabila na. Kuya, what happened? Grabe, makalinis. Oh, sige pa. Okay, good job. Good job. Okay, bawakan mami. Oh, tuluan ni mami. Oh, ganon. Oh, good job. Okay. Next. Ay, number 2. Naman. Number 2. Number 2. Good job. Good job. One more. There are 3 more, ma. 3 more. 3, number 2 pa. Tatlo pa. Ayusin ang paghawak. Kuya. 3 more. Come on, kuya. Come on, kuya. 3 more. Okay, 3 more pa. 3 pa na 2. Oh, 2 na lang. Okay, good job, Cedric. Last. Good job, Kuya Cedric. Oh, you erase, anak. Very good, Kuya Cedric. You did it right. Good job, Kuya Zed. Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Oh, up. Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Good job, Kuya Zed. Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Oh, you miss this part, oh. You miss, oh. Clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up, clean up. Miss. This one pa, anak. Grabe maglinis. Sige, anak. Good job, Kuya Cedric. I thought you forgot na we always do naman activity, no? Yung tablet naman. Ito. Pero hindi pa rin ikaw. Yung hands mo, hirap pa din. Ikaw na, oh. Meron pa, oh. I see pa, oh. You missed this, oh. Use this part. Use this part. Okay. Hi, 10. Fist bump. Boom. You say boom. No more phone. Hi, 10. High five. Fist bump. Boom. Good job. You say. Okay. Ano okay natin? Okay. Okay. This nag-okay. Say hi. Hi na. Wave your hand. Hi. Love you, nak. Oh, number 2 na tayo. Number 3.